Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Caravan World. Start off today, you obviously know what to do, like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you through a fit out that's getting picked up tomorrow. This is for a woman who basically had a few things that she wanted to get into this vehicle. So let's just go in and I'll show you through. So as you can see, there's a pop top in this one. So very, very good, gives you a bit of extra head height. So starting at the back here, we've got a massive storage cabinet. So lots of space, shelving underneath with an additional cupboard, little drop down. So very, very cool. Under this bed, there's a fair bit of equipment. So basically we've got the Truma Sapphire underbunk aircon unit, water pump, battery system, and also, as you can see, diesel heater as well. So there is quite a bit under here. This is quite simple. Basically, just opens up and it creates like a double bed when it wants to be needed, but majority of the time, it's going to be used as a single. So plenty of storage through the middle for a bike, as well as a walkway when they're not using it. So over on the right-hand side, we have a kitchen with a little sink and tap. Underneath here is storage for a porta potty. So that's being made to size to be able to fit the porta potty that's going to be used. On the left-hand side, we've got an 85 litre Bushman fridge, microwave, and then some additional storage at the back. So as you can see, we've used marine grade locks here. They're a bit more durable than the plastic clips. So very, very cool feature and very strong and durable. Let's go take a look at the outside. So on the outside here, we've just added an additional drawer here for storage on the outside. So again, just small little features that we can incorporate for different people's needs. So as we come around, we have obviously a power outlet on the outside. We've got the external shower here. So basically it just drops down. So your mixers with a little shower rose in there. So very, very cool. You got your 240 volt safety switch, and then over on the far side, we've got our waste connection, our 240 inlet, as well as our mains water inlet and water tank filler, right? Down the bottom, you can see just the diesel heater flue coming out. So very, very cool fit out. So guys, if you're interested in a fit out like this one, feel free to contact Oz Caravan World. We can run you through your options and get something priced up for you. Thanks a lot and enjoy your day.